Want to upgrade your Corolla seats from this to this? Stay tuned. I'd like to thank Coverado for sending over these seat covers for review. I'm going to be installing these on my 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback with standard cloth seats. This is a full set of diamond pattern leather seat covers. The seat covers come in this nice zippered package, and safety is my #1 concern. And these seat covers have airbag cutouts that have been tested to not interfere with the functionality of the factory airbags. These seat covers come with a 18-month warranty. Okay, let's go through what's provided in the package. And here we have the front seat backs and seat bottoms, along with the headrest covers. And here are the rear seat tops and bottoms. And finally, we have some hardware, the pucks, along with the installation manual. The materials and the stitching look fantastic. They feel very high quality. The seat covers themselves are made of soft water-resistant leather and also have a nice amount of additional foam. I'll put links to these covers in the description below. All right, let's do the install. I performed the install on the driver's side, and I'm happy with the install process and the results. This is a universal fit set of covers, so there's a bit of room here and there. Let's go through the install process step by step on the passenger side. All right, let's start by removing the headrest. So push in on this tab and pull out. And now we're going to install the headrest into the cover and tuck in the flap. Next, let's install the seat back covers onto the seat. And now let's reinstall the headrest and secure the snaps. And now we're just going to install the 3 chucks and tuck them through to the other side. And for the Corolla, I had to undo this strap from underneath the seat, and we're just going to tuck it underneath the cover. And now we're going to tuck the chucks into the loops. And that secures the seat cover. And I don't like how this yellow cable is hanging down. It may get caught, so I'm going to use a zip tie to secure it up and out of the way. And here's where we ended up. Now the yellow cable is up and out of the way. And for the seat bottoms, put them roughly into place and start pushing the ends through to the back. Click them into place. And once you've passed both ends through, snap them together. And next we have to attach the front clips. So I usually like to use a pair of pliers to spread things out just a bit. And now we're going to attach the hooks to the elastic loops. Next, we're going to hook up these hooks to the metal frame of the seat, and don't attach them to wires. There are two ways to install the rear seat covers. I'm going to go through the method that removes the seat bottoms. To remove the seat bottoms, pull up on the seat fronts from each side. This releases the clips. And to release the final seatbelt, all you have to do is depress this red area with the seatbelt, pull it through, and you can now remove the seat bottom. And we're orienting ourselves with the pieces. So there's three pieces. We got the left, the right, and this middle pieces that sandwiches in between. And this is where we ended up in regards to the straps. We have the two straps going across for each side, and then we have this middle portion connecting to the farthest strap, and that goes for both sides, two going all the way across from front to back, and that middle section is connecting to the far right strap. And the bottom section of the middle is tucked underneath the left and right, and then we're just going to lay the top down. And it's keyed, so let's reattach the belt and reattach the seat bottoms and make sure that the seat belts are accessible. All right, loop the elastic strap around the headrest. And hook on the headrest to secure it in place. And now we're going to install the clips onto the ends. And same deal, spread the hooks and install on both hoops. And push the hooks through from front to back. And I'm going to secure the seat backs down using the hooks and available holes nearby. And the kit does come with a center section, but if you put this in place, you lose the functionality of the center area. So I'm going to leave it off for this particular application. The front seats look new and definitely have a more premium feel. I like the nice tight fit. They match the contour of the original seat very well. When it comes to the rear seat covers, the limitations of the universal nature of this kit shows through. There are areas where the original seat material is visible. It just lacks the refinement of the front seat covers. That said, if you're looking to cover your original seat, this is a good, reasonably priced option. I'll put links to the products I used in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please click a like and become a subscriber. I'll see you in the next one.